Guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of October the 11th to the 17th of 2020. So really great deals in this flyer, and let's not forget the deals start on Sunday, October the 11th. So if you wanted to go to the store today and do the deals, you have to wait till the 11th because a lot of you that use digital coupons, lots of the digitals will not be showing up until Sunday morning. Couple quick housekeeping items. In your digital coupons folder, at the very top, there are a bunch of thank you coupons that were showing up. Extra points for items, including this 3,000 points for spending 15. These are of a one-time use and they will be valid from the 11th right till December the 26th. So load them if you might have some. Also, the beauty event will be taking place from the 29th to the 31st. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This will be the last one in concert with their beauty program, as the beauty enthusiasts will be, ending on the 31st of October. And essentially it is to buy $25 in beauty products to get back $14,000. So I will have a video, like in 2 weeks for that. But I know a lot of us will probably, go out with a real bang for that last event. Okay guys, so the first awesome deal is from this board, which is to buy 4 of these items to get back a $6 register reward. Now in the Walgreens app, I really zoomed in on that Downy and it says 60 load on it. If the 60 load is included, oh my gosh, this will be really great because there's a $2 coupon I believe that'll affix to that. Also from the October P&G, we have the $2 for the pods, and there's also a $2 for the liquid. If you do not get any insert coupons, you can also go to P&G Good Every Day, that website, and print out a couple. So it's an either or there. And then we have the digital alternatives, which is the $2 for the liquid and the $2 for the pods that we can, stack together for this deal. So looking at it, grab 2 of the pods for $4.99. That's $9.98. 2 of the liquids, same cost, $9.98. So the total for the 4 Tide products is $19.96. Present 2 $2 coupons from your October P&G, or alternatively printouts from P&G Good Every Day, that website, along with 2 digitals from your Walgreens account. They're also manufacturers. So the new total is $11.96 you would pay out of pocket. Get back your $6 register reward, making it $5.96 for the 4, or $1.49 each. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it so you're not really feeling this one out of pocket. So now we're looking at this little board, 2 for 11, 7,000 points when you buy 4. That is uber generous. However, it is on the Secret, Old Spice, Gillette deodorant, body spray, or bath care selected varieties. Olay is not included. So, what I'm hoping on Sunday, some very generous coupon will pop up. That would be very nice. But what we have right now, grab 4 Old Spices for $22 on the nose. There's a $1 off 2 digital. The one from the October P&G has expired. You can't even use that. I would throw in your $6 register reward from the Tide deal we were just doing. Pay $15 out of pocket. Get back your 7,000 points. The final price point here is $8 for 4, or $2 each. And if you want to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Now with the Tide deal and the Old Spice deal, there's a new promotion with P&G that if you spend $50, you're going to get back $15. And the website that you have to go to is pngrebates.com. If you easily Google search it, boom, it'll show up for you. This is the specific website. Tide and Old Spice are both included. So hang on to your receipts. How this typically works, I can just explain it to you. And I'm not going to make a tutorial on this because I'm not going to show my home address and all that information. But say that Tide, for example, is $4.99. After the $2 manufacturer, it's $2.99. So you would have that. You'd need to keep the UPC for the bottle. And once you can collect up to $50 of products after coupons, then you can apply for that rebate. Okay, another really great deal is on the Revlon and Almay. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. And then I think in last weekend's Smart Source, a whole bunch of coupons appeared. I did look at the new Almay and Revlon coupons, and the verbiage is very strict. So just be careful with that, guys, so you don't get thrown out in the parking lot by your ear. The Revlon Color Stay eyeliner is $5.99. We have this $3 coupon from your Smart Source of October the 4th. And then we also have this digital. So load that one. Here's the math for this one. Grabbing 2 of the Revlon eyeliners at $5.99 a pop, that's $11.98. Subtracting the $2 digital and the $3 from the October 4th Smart Source, you're left with paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Revlon product. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it, and you will still get back your register reward. Okay, so this deal is back, and I think it's absolutely fantastic for the Cottonelle and Viva. Maybe a digital will show up to make it a little bit cheaper. Wouldn't that be nice? Specifically looking at the Viva paper towel, this is a 6-roll for $5.99. In the October Big Book, there is a $1 coupon, so get the cashier to scan that or load it digitally. You're left with paying $4.99 out of pocket. If you want to use points, go for it. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because you will get back extra points for this. And it just amounts it to using $5 of points. Yes, it is a loss, but still a really great deal for some inexpensive Viva. All right, guys, so now we have a quick deal on the Schick shaving gel or cream. So $2.99, there's going to be a $1 digital coupon, 2,000 points when you buy 2. Now, there is a cheaper line of this shaving cream for $1.99, and it's by Schick, and it is called Extreme Moisturizing Foam, $1.99, and it's on the same promotion. This is in this weekend's Smart Source, which is $1 off. Alternatively, there's also peelies that have been found on these products over at Walgreens. Grabbing 2 of the very cheap shaving creams at $1.99 a pop, that's $3.98. Subtracting $2 coupons from your October the 11th Smart Source, you're left with paying $1.98 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points, essentially making it free. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, you can absolutely go for it and still earn your points back. Now this is another little tremendous deal on the Schick disposable razors, $5.99. There's going to be a $4 digital starting on Sunday morning, and 2,000 points when you buy 2 of these. So not too shabby. And just to show you, this is what the coupon looks like from the October the 11th Smart Source. It's $4 off, and you can use up to 2. Looking at the math for this one, you're grabbing 2 of the disposable razors for $11.98. Presenting 2 $4 coupons from your Smart Source of October the 11th, $8 off right there. You're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per razor. If you wish to use points, go for it. Now looking at this deal in a different way, let's grab one of the very inexpensive shaving creams. And I know a lot of your stores have been rated, so there's probably very few left. Grab one of those and then 1 disposable razor for this deal. And since it's on the same promotion, I'm about 99% sure you'll get back your points for this one, just looking at it a little out of the box. So grabbing one of the Schick shaving creams for $1.99, 1 Schick disposable razor for $5.99. Your new total is $7.98. And then you're going to go with the 2 digitals, which is your $4 off and your $1 off. That will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per product. So if you don't have any way to get insert coupons, this is still a fire deal. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. This is on the same promotion as the razors to the shaving cream, so I'm sure it's going to work. If you're pretty nervous about it, wait for me on Sunday and I'll show it in my haul, and I will do this deal, and I think it's going to work. We haven't had a promotion like this in a bit, so if you're a little cautious, just wait for me on Sunday. Okay, so looking at the Bic disposable razors for $6.79, this is on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. 2,000 points when you buy 2. As you can see on the tag, this is valid till the 31st. And this is the razor that you're going to be picking up, specifically 2 of these fancier Bic razors. And we're going to need 2 of these $3 coupons from the October 4th Smart Source. Looking at the math, 2 of those Bic Lady razors on a BOGO 50% off is $10.18. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons from your October 4th insert, that's $6 off right there. You're left with paying $4.18 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points, making it $2.18 for the 2 or $1.09 per razor. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. You will still earn the points. The next deal that we have is on the Dunkin' Donuts, either the K-Cups or the bagged coffee. Check IBOTTA and the different rebates if there might be something for this. You know, you never know. Sometimes things do pop up. We have this very generous dollar coupon from your Retail Me Not of September the 20th. Looking at the math, grab one of the Dunkin' Donuts for $4.99. Subtracting that dollar coupon from the September 20th Retail Me Not, you're left with paying $3.99 out of pocket. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. I think this is a must in every single household. These Reese's peanut butter cups are $1.99. And then there's going to be $1 off 2 coupon. Oh my gosh. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $3.98. Subtracting that $1 off 2 digital, you're left with paying $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per bag. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so now let's talk about some honorable mentions. Of course, if you want to get your flu shot, I think you're supposed to get it before the end of October for it to be the most potent for you. You'll get back $5 when you spend $20. So, go and do it, especially if you're hardcore Walgreens shopper. These hoodies are made by Hanes, which is a really great company, even for ladies. If you want to get a hoodie, you know how I would do this for $12.99. Use 10,000 points and you're paying $2.99 for a really nice hoodie. You never know if you need this if you're just bumming around the house cleaning, or just throw it in your car in case you get cold. It's a really great price point, and Hanes is a great company. We have the Robitussin for $5.99. There's going to be a $2 digital, dropping it down to $3.99. Check the rebate apps for a rebate for this. It is cold and flu season just around the corner. And the Arm & Hammer, all the different, products, 3 for $6.99. So it's basically $2.33 per product. Tide is better, but if this is your favorite, this might be a deal for you. Buy one, get one free on the vitamins and supplements. I'm just going to call this I wish. 2 for $8 on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand for disinfectant wipes. I have not seen these in stock in 7 or 8 months. I don't even believe they exist, but I wish I could find some. I mean, they're such nice products. Okay, and now the Arizona, 2 for $1 or 50 cents each. If you're throwing in a bunch of register rewards into your little deals, you might want to grab this as a filler item because 50 cents is really inexpensive. And then the Yardley at 69 cents, that's also another fantastic filler item, just a bar of soap for 69 cents. There's nothing better than that. And we have this little flyer coupon, 99 cents. Get the cashier to scan it, or you can load it digitally for aluminum foil, paper plates, that good stuff. I know earlier in the week, this was showing up 20 times per account. It's a programming error. Rest be assured, you'll only have one to get them for 99 cents starting on Sunday. And spaghetti night, a buy one get one free on the Barilla pasta, the ground beef for $2.99, and 3 for $5 for the Prego sauce. I don't know if there's some rebates with Ibotta, but you might want to look in your Ibotta account, specifically at Walgreens, and see if you might have some. And 2 for $4 with my absolute favorite Magic Trail Mix. I might have to grab 2 of these. And the candles are on a buy one, get one free, so it's $4.99 each after everything's said and done. I got a thank you coupon for that home products for 50 cents back, so it would be $2.49 for that after the 50-cent coupon, but it was 500 points if you buy this product, so something to look into. And the soda deal of the week is with Pepsi Mountain Dew, 3 for $9.99. So that is a really great price point. Coke was the week previous, but if you are a Pepsi or Mountain Dew drinker, here is a superb deal. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.